So welcome back to this channel IBMI classes. In this video session, I'll discuss select command in CL programming. So let's start. So select command is comes with select when, otherwise, or end select. So it ends with end select in CL programming. So it's just the implementation of case structure in CL program. Or there is one more thing, otherwise command is optional in this select to when command and select command. So here I written a program where I'm taking two inputs, indicator 1 and indicator 2, of both are of logical type. So the value should be either 1 or 0. Now here's a message variable where I'm going to give the message using chgvar command. Now here I have written select command. So inside select there were two, we will be using when command. So when command will be executed with condition and then parameters. So if condition is true, then the statement will be executed and then parameters. So if indicator 1 and indicator 2 are on and the statement condition is true, and then this message, this statement gets executed. So in case if this when uh, command section gets executed, so it will come out of all these things and will end. It won't check for other wins or otherwise. So in case if it is false or it won't get executed, it will check for another when condition. If it is off, then it will execute do these two statement inside do and do. As we already know that using do and undo, we can execute the multiple or group of statements in CL programming. So in case if both the when conditions are failed, it will go to the otherwise section and execute this statement, and at last it will end with the end select. So just compile this program using debug vista source. Just debug this program. CLPGM9W. Now we will be setting the breakpoint at line number 1. So just call this program CLPGM9W and pass those two parameters, which are logical parameters. So we have passed one in both the indicator 1 and indicator 2 parameter. So in select section we can see that if indicator 1 and 2 both are on, so both are on, the condition will be true, and currently the message is blank. Now the message is first and it comes out of the end select statement and the program ends. So now if we pass 0 1, so this condition gets failed. So now the message is nothing. That's correct. If not, indicator 1 means if this value is 0, which is correct, then this section will get executed. So inside this condition we used do and undo commands, so it will execute the group of statements which are written inside these do and undo commands. So message is now having execute do groups and then dot 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 dot. Sure. And then we'll exit program. Let's exit or then select got exit. So flow will come outside the end select. Now if we pass 1 or 0, So if you press F10, so this condition fails, this condition also fails because the value is 1 for this one, and this otherwise command will get executed. Message is blank, so message is now quit because the above two when commands condition is false and not satisfied, so the otherwise section got executed in select when command and the program ends. So this is the demo for select command in CL programming. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.